Hey, I'm Steve, and these are the Skechers Women's GOwalk Hyper Burst sneakers that my wife just bought. And yeah, that's me walking with my Skechers. I made a video because I love my Skechers so much, and she bought a pair for herself. Honestly, my Skechers are the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn, and I rave about them, so I think she got tired of hearing me say how comfortable mine were, so she bought a pair for herself, and she loves them. Let me just try to give you a look at them if you're interested in a pair of these for yourself. She has been telling me that they put a spring in her step, and I can agree with what she's saying because the sole of these shoes are so soft and comfortable, so she is really digging them. I think you'll like them, and if you're looking at these Skechers, I hope you found my video helpful.